Good morning, everyone. Our avid for the day is from Ezekiel chapter 34, verse 15. I myself will tend my sheep and have them lie down, declares the sovereign Lord. The title of the reflection is Sheep Crossing from Christine Holberg. Take time, to listen to the reflection. Traffic came to a halt, but I had no idea why. There were few cars on the road, and I could see no obvious reason to be stopped. And then suddenly, to my great surprise and delight, thousands of sheep emerged and crossed the freeway. As a newcomer to Idaho, I wasn't yet familiar with the annual migration of the sheep into the Boise foothills each spring. Local ranchers escort their flocks into the foothills where they graze on the native grasses over the summer. Because I'd only lived in the urban and suburban areas throughout my life, the sight was something of a spectacle to me. Yet sheep were a regular part of a living in the days of Ezekiel and much of the Bible's recorded history. The prophet drew on something familiar to the people, sheep and shepherding, to convey God's message to them of comfort and hope. Ezekiel offered comforting, hopeful words to the Israelites, telling them that despite the years of hardship in Babylon, the consequence of their recurrent rebellion against God, He'd one day restore them to their own land. God would then, like a shepherd, tend them in a good pasture, and they would lie down in good grazing land. God shows similar care for His people. We can trust Him, our shepherd, to lead us forward through life, though we may feel scattered like sheep in the midst of difficulties toward good pastures. When has God led you through seasons of difficulty? How can you trust Him to be your shepherd today? Lord God, we honor your words today. Whatever difficulties we are facing, I know that God will give us on ways on how to overcome these difficulties. Just rely on Him, trust in Him, and always ask His blessings and ask His guidance, whatever decisions we made. And remember this, God is true to His promise. To God be the glory. This is your acronym individual saying magandang buhay, mabuting tao. God bless us all. And the best book ever that we need to read is our Bible. This is the book of life. To God be the glory.